All right, what is good, everybody? Welcome back. Today, boys, we got a good old cars and coffee. Well, I guess it's not today. Today's Friday. I've got a few errands to run. I gotta go pick up some, I need to go pick up some, I need shoe containers because I keep buying shoes and I don't have enough room to store them, so I gotta go buy more shoe containers. I'm not a shoe geek. If I see shoes I like, I buy them, all right? Like, look, right now I'm wearing Hey Dudes, all right? So that'll say something. I gotta hit up the car wash because this thing's crusty. I was just getting some video clips for another video. But yeah, I thought I'd do a little bit of POV driving, a little bit of POV driving. We got grandma and grandpa in their Cadillac going about 20 miles an hour. I don't know what they got going on over here. There's no water. I mean, well, I mean, there is water, but it's not like there. I don't know. We're about to go to the rich area, so hopefully we see some like nice cars and whatnot have you. It's a Friday, so, you know, maybe the rich people are off work early or... I'm such a racer. There's a lot of noises going on back there. Yeah, so the last Cars and Coffee I went to, I was going to film, but I didn't because I'm an idiot. Hey, this time, no, I'm filming, all right? I'm filming. I'm actually filming this. W-Rig. Oh, I'm at my monkey ride height. Hold on a second. There we go, now I'm pimping. Oh, this might be, look at this. Hold on, I'm about to go under a plane. Woohoo, look at that, look. Okay, I didn't get under it, but look, there it goes. That's kind of cool. Dang, I wish I would have went under it. I was going too slow. That's pretty cool. Oh, they're looking. You think they messed with the rig? W-Rig! 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 Holy mansion. Oh, hello there. Wowee. Dang, look at Unk. Unk in the... That's actually... That's Grandpa in the E46. That thing is clean. Nice. Yo, that thing's got clears. Yo. Dude, that guy's car over there has not finished loading in. Big windshield wiper. All right, we're outside. I'm about to go to the I'm about to go run into the store, grab my stuff, and get out. Oh, this is cooked. I'm actually airing up. Actually, I probably could have made it. I'm honestly, my ride height, I'm even trucking. All right, watch out, buddy. Hey, hey, hey. Oh my gosh, I gotta recalibrate my system. Did you guys hear that? Holy rub. Oh, I'm going over this way. That's bad. Oh my gosh. All right, lady, chill out. Or dude, whatever. Here we go, boys. The Container Store. What do you know? This is such a girly store. The contain. All right, brother. Out of all those parking spots, I was about to say. All right. All right, I'm about to run in for like 2 seconds. Can y'all watch my car for me? All right, make sure nobody steals it, you know what I'm saying? God, how long was it in there? 5 minutes? If that. Come on now. Don't play. Get the goods on deck, Now I got boxes for all my shoes. Hold on, reflection. Yo, that is cool as fuck. Meow. Grainy shift. Hold on, I haven't. Hold on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. We are at the car wash with it. We are at the car wash with it. No shot. I started washing my rig and I forgot to close my sunroof. Alright, I got home with it. Now I gotta freaking dry the car. Clean it up. W tripod.
The next day.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a good 7:45 in the morning. It's about time for cars and coffee. I'm gonna get this job pulled out. The boys are almost here, but we're about to bounce. We're outside on the way to Cars and Coffee. BK2 Adam is outside for once. No way. Oh shit. Made it outside Cars and Coffee. Look at this. We got front row parking too. That's where the wheel steppers park right here. No way.
Those wheels look a lot better.
What's going on here though? Is this me?
Oh, this is that Jimmy's second car. Still come back here.
What's going on back here? Oh. Right. This thing's a straight race car. What in the world's going on here? Dude, I think they're fake. What in the world? Just now, this is a better E36. I think it's an M3. Is it? No shot. I want to feel that.
This thing was jumping.
This thing's not even fast for real.
Not really.
Does it come from wheels too?
I think you got some paint on his carbon.
No shot. No shot.
I got bumped to do.
Do that with your truck. This is so JDM. No way. That's like a good amount of camber though. Is this thing fast? Oh. Is that duct tape?
No, it's bolt on there.
Oh.
I thought it was raining for a second.
Oh, that's not tape. Yes, it is. What is this?
That's my favorite off-road skateboard to ride.
What the hell? Is you hitting with a 0.5? Wait, I got like.
It's really manual. How's that look?
Is it fast?
No.
Oh my god, look at that tuck. I don't even got tuck like that. Alright, Cars Coffee over. My GoPro's about to die. We're outside though, grabbing flicks. BK2 Adam decided to like be fake. We're outside though. VQ Frank, got Jenny, what lugs? BK1 Eric. Wait till I blow up.
Yeah.
Just wait till I blow up.
When?
Wait till I blow up.
When will that be?
Dude, GoPro at 10%. I'm cooked. Hey, Cars Coffee's pretty good though, I'd reckon.
For as much as I thought I would today. Every time, bro. Hey, get the camera on us. You didn't consent to this. Hey, get the camera on my face, buddy.
In your nose, dude. Alright boys, camera's about to die, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Good old Cars and Coffee. Hopefully I'll be out filming more meets and stuff that we go to. Get a little bit better at that. Subscribe if you're not, stay tuned. By the way, appreciate all of you guys for 8,000 subscribers, boys. We got a good 8,000 subscribers right now, and I appreciate every single one of you guys for subscribing to the channel, showing all of the good old love. But yeah, boys, my camera's about to die, so I gotta bounce.